Hey guys, it's Ratchet Rachel. This is a new channel. This is my friend Franny.
Yeah, I'm Rachel's friend Franny.
Told you not to eat while we're doing this.
It's good.
Goodness gracious. So today we're going to talk about well, I'll show you my art. So this is an art masterpiece. Took me a while to complete. I call it Surprise. So I'll show you it. It's surprise, like. So yeah, and that's pretty nice, isn't it?
Can I stand up? Guys, like a shirt. I just got it at Goodwill. Isn't it? It was only 2 pennies. I like my hair. I did it so nice for you guys. I got my eyebrows done finally, my lips. So yeah.
Eyebrows on fleek. Ha! Ha!
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so something we also want to talk about is this kinetic sand. We got it off the street.
Yeah.
Someone was throwing it out at a yard sale. They said we can just have it for free because, I don't know, they said something about us looking like little poor kids. I don't know. I didn't hear them. She was talking to this lady behind us. They said, well, in front of us, she was like, I don't know. I barely heard them. They said something about us. I don't know, and I don't care because, I mean, I didn't hear her. She probably wasn't even talking about us.
Probably. She was probably talking about someone else.
Yeah. Hey, Franny.
It's good.
Okay, so kinetic sand is pretty awesome. It's got kinetic in it, which comes from the name. Latin term is kinetic sand. Learned it in science. Did we learn it in science?
Yeah, I think. We're homeschooled by our mom. Well, by her mom. Ratchet Rhonda.
Yeah. Yeah. Rhonda. Yeah, she's pretty good.
Not too bright in the noggin.
No. No. So you can see, you can make little animals. Like I'm gonna make what my dad looks like. I never met him. Never met him. My mom said that he doesn't like kids, and I said, I'm not kidding. But you know, whatever.
It's fun to play with because, you know, sand just don't stick together.
And I think I got my lips from him. Cause, yeah.
I have parents. I live with my brother. He's 11. Well, I shot my parents because I didn't like. No, I'm just joking. I didn't shoot my parents. No, my parents are just.
That's funny.
Score 1. Oh. Got
Yeah.
armpit hairs. No, I'm good. I ain't got no armpit hairs. But you know, just gotta have a funny life. So
See, this is my dad. That's his face because I think I got my lips. What's on my finger? I think I have cancer. Rhonda! Rhonda, I think I have cancer. Oh my goodness. Rhonda's making squirrel right now. She won't listen to me. I think I got cancer, guys. Does that look like cancer?
well, no, it don't look like cancer. Your finger's decaying. Like your tooth? Right out of your head because you don't brush your teeth. Jeez.
I brush my teeth once a year. That's pretty good.
Yeah, for a retard like you.
Do you guys like my pants? I actually got this whole outfit at the Goodwill. They always put it up on that thing. You know how they have that whole thing? Shut up, don't laugh at me. That hurt. Oh
my heart you can. Like,